YouTube, this is Andrea here, and we are off to a whole new page. The last page we did was this one here, which is a faux envelope page. Just lift that up, pull this down, and then this one goes out to the right, and it folds out like so. That turned out to be really neat. I love that. So let's get on to our next page. We're going to be making a bow belly band. So what you're going to need is 2 black cardstock. One is 10 inches by 1 1/2 inches, and the other one is 5 1/2 inches by 1 1/2. Now you're going to move this up to the 2-inch mark. You're going to punch. You're going to flip it over and then do the 2-inch mark again. You're going to punch. You're going to go to the 5-inch mark, punch, flip it over, 5 inches, punch. Now you're going to flip the whole thing over and start with the 2-inch, punch, and this side will be done on that last punch. There's your bow. Let's go ahead and move this out the way, pick up our clippings. Okay. So you've now made your bow. This is the bow here. I did not punch these out just yet, so let's go ahead and make the bow. You're going to take this section and you're going to push it forward like so. First, push this forward, fold it in half, and then bring this back around. And there's 1/2 of your bow. Do the same on this side, and then fold that over, and there's your bow. So it's a large bow, but not overly large. Once you've got that down, you also want to cut a 9 1/4 sheet by 1 1/4, and that's going to be your decorative paper to put on your bow. So let's go ahead and punch this one. Go to the 2-inch mark, flip it over, back to the 2-inch mark, go to 5 inches, flip that over, go to 5 inches, flip it all the way over like so, and go to 2 inches, flip that over, and go to 2 inches again, just like that. Let's go ahead and test it. Okay, so I tested it and it worked out great, but I had forgot I had already made this one because I'm color coordinating the page, and then this is going to be the strap that we glue this on. So let's go ahead and get that done. Okay, clean up your mess. Now this is going to go on top. I missed this one. This is going to go on top of the black, and I had to put tape on here because when I was rolling it through my Xyron, I had it all wonky, and well, you know how it goes. Got to do it again. And this little tape is just like the bigger tape. It's double-sided. I got it off of eBay. It was made for cell phones repairs, and it works fantastic on paper too. So, and it's 1/8 inch. It was pretty inexpensive too. Okay. Oh, I think it was $1, and the roll was like that big. So it's a pretty big roll for $1. And you don't use 1/8 inch that often, so you only need one. All right, place it in the center as best you can, and then lay it down. That worked out good. Pretty. Okay, so now we're going, just, you know, you can actually curve it like this, just the bow part, but you can also use your hand to curve it. Okay, now we're going to slide this over to the center like so, and then slide this over to the center and let those two meet. I'll be right back. So you can take your glue gun, you can either put it on the crease here or down the middle, and I'm going to try right down the middle. Try not to overdo it. And then this side. Yeah. Get some of that excess glue off. And this is going to be glued down to the belly band, so you don't have to worry about that back showing. It's going to be looking like that. Alright, now I have some flat back pearls, and I want to see if I can find a big white one. I use a little cup to dig into my pearls and a jar to hold them. Not seeing a whole lot of big white ones. I got big blue and big pink. I don't know how big pink would look. Oh, I'm not feeling that one. A medium pearl. Let's see how that looks. Ooh, I like that one. And I'm just going to try the blue for the heck of it. Oh, that's pretty too. But I think I'm going to go ahead and stick with the white. I could use black, but I don't have any big black ones either. No. Okay. Alright. The pearls, the flat back pearls I got at Joann's. And really inexpensive. Alright, so you want to center this. And if you want, you could take a pencil, hold your sides down, and then mark where that center is. And that's where you want to put your glue. And then press that down. Trying to keep it centered. Yeah. Then press. Okay. Awesome. So this is what it should look like from the side view. And then here's the top view. And let's go ahead and place our pearl down. I think I'm going to use my tweezers for this because sometimes I just find it easier to use that instead of my fingers, my little fat fingers. Okay. Put down a little dollop of glue. Not a whole lot because you don't want it seeping out the sides. Then place your pearl. Very pretty. I love it. Okay, let's get it in the mini album. Whoops. For the most part, that's a real easy, let's just test it here, bow to make. Alright. We're looking good. Okay. Now we need to find background paper. And I was thinking about this section here because it's without this gold on top. Let's see how that looks. We'll cut it up and we'll see how it looks. Okay. Try to leave yourself 1/8 of an inch around. Cut it there and there. Let me do that real quick. All right. Turned out cute. And then we can cut the top. Small piece to cut. Yeah, I like that. Just a little hint of flower at the bottom. And then we'll have this. Oh yeah, see, that's nice. I'm glad I picked this paper for the background. Okay, ink this up and then tape it so we can get it down. Okay. Go ahead and move this out the way. Get some tape right here. I bought this tape from Joann's. The company is called Miss Sparkle. And I just wanted to test it out. If I like it, of course, I'll buy more. If not, well, it doesn't hurt to test it out. I only paid $1 because I had a coupon. Okay. I can tell you right now, it's very sticky. So that's a good sign. Ooh, no leeway. Can't pull that back up, so that is something to consider when you're buying tape. Okay. Oh, shoot. No, like I said, there's no leeway on this. Oh my goodness, so I'm gonna have to leave that little tiny piece there. Oh, sorry. Guys, I don't mean to curse. Oh, what a mess. Okay. Whew. Well, yeah, it happens to the best of us, right? Let's try this again. Put this back in our bowl. Let's try it again. Just a little piece here. And it's such a bulky, awkward roll. Of course, I'm just trying to hide the fact that that was user error. So. Okay. Do with the peeling of the backing. It's really good tape. You just can't mess up with it, you know, because there's no leeway. Once it's down, it's down. And our last piece. Oh. All right, move that out the way. Let's get it up here, and let's place it down. Good. And it goes down well. Yeah. Just burnishing it. Okay. Now I'm going to need just a driblet of glue here. And you can use your wet glue on this part. I'm using this because it's still on. And I hate wasting glue, even hot glue. Out there. Okay. All right. That piece off. There. I think it looks really cute. And I did cut out a tag for it. Let's see if it's, oh no, it still fits really good. Okay, I'm gonna have to cut a little off the top. Let's get that done. Let's see how that works. Perfect. Okay, and then I have some papers for it that I've already made into stickers. Get some ink on there. This out the way so we can put our paper on our tag. Yeah. Put that over and put this one on. Yay. Go ahead and burnish that down. You only need to do one side because you're also burnishing the opposite side as you do this side. Okay, place that in here. And you could put your pink side up if you want. I just like this chocolate really, really well. Well guys, that is it for this page. I hope you guys enjoyed this. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them down below and I'll try to get back to you as soon as I can. Have a great one. Bye.